with most trailers, people try to build them as light as they can. So what I did is I actually took this piece of wood, cut it basically the same dimension as my framing lumber here that I just cut, and this is a foot long, and when I weighed it, it was 169 grams, and now it's 168, so close enough. This is a 10-foot piece, so let's just see what this weighs. This weighs 1811. So for a 1-foot piece, that's 181 grams. So in a week, I'm going to weigh this piece again and see if it lost any weight from moisture evaporating. So this one here now is, well, 1813. It varies a little bit, but I'll try it again in about a week. Well, you may remember from last week, well, not gonna be last week for you because you're still watching this video. So anyway, last week I put this away, stickered it after weighing it, and it came in at 1.82 kilograms. Now we haven't had very dry temperatures, very muggy and humid. But let's just see if it lost any weight. Put on scales. Now it was 1.81 kilograms or 181 grams per foot, and it's 1.8. That's the wind that's blowing the board that's changing it. Yeah, well, when I first put it on, it was down like to 1.81 kilograms, so it did lose weight. Moisture, so I'm assuming that as the summer goes on and this build goes forward, this will even get lighter as it loses more weight. Thanks for watching. Oh, stabilized there for a second. 1.8. There you go. 1.8. It lost 0.12 kilograms. Thanks for watching.